You might have heard the term contingency fee bounced around, and I wanted to take a minute today just to go over exactly what that is. So a contingency fee means that you have an arrangement with your attorney where you're not going to be responsible for any actual attorney fees until your case is resolved successfully, so until they win your case. Now, the actual amount of that attorney fee is going to be dependent on the type of case involved, as well as the attorney that you're working with and what their office structure is. One thing, though, I like to encourage people to pay attention to is to read the fine print of these agreements and look at what the expenses are. The expenses are going to be something on top of that attorney fee that you would also be responsible for, and sometimes you're responsible for it even if your case was not successful. Now, expenses are oftentimes things like medical records that are valid, but then there's also sometimes some smaller amounts that get put in there for things like postage and office supplies. So you want to pay attention to it because that can add up. Now, the expenses are going to vary widely from firm to firm. So again, you want to make sure that you're reading the fine print of the attorney that you're choosing. Now, here at Hankey Marks Crider, our expenses are, one, they're only repaid if we do actually win the case, but two, they only include medical records. So we do not charge for any of those smaller items that I mentioned earlier, like postage. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call our office here at Hankey Marks Crider. Our consultations are always free, and again, we only get paid if we get a recovery for you.